Here is my new puzzle box. It's a similar design to the last one, but it's also a little bit tricky to get in. Now, I was going to show you how to get into this puzzle box, but with all this feedback on the interwebs, well, I'm not so sure that you actually want to know. Today's super sub is Easy Kids Crafts. That's right, the easiest way to get inside is to break it. That's right, break it with a baseball bat. Oh, it's easy to open because it's Lego. Just smash it on the ground. Just smash it. Scash the living out of it. So let's put this puzzle box to the test. $1,000 subs! Woohoo! This is the red Lego brick.